Graitec PowerPack for Inventor has the ability to export sheet metal flat patterns straight from the assembly. In the click of a button, we can specify a file format, export location, and properties that we wish to include, like part number, description, material, or thickness. We can also identify which sheet metal parts we wish to export or exclude, and also the layers, whether we want them to be enabled, their line type, line weight, and color. In a matter of seconds, all sheet metal flat patterns are exported to DXF. The Graitec PowerPack for Inventor also includes a toolbox. This performs several functions, including browser rename. Within the toolbox settings, we can specify properties that we wish to place within our browser nodes for components. So instead of displaying part number, we could display material and description, or any combination of properties we wish to view. We can also include custom properties. As soon as we select browser name, all nodes are renamed, in this example, to display description and material. Also within the toolbox, we have the ability to export parts lists to Excel in a single click. This will include thumbnails of each component. The Graitec PowerPack for Inventor includes a toolbox within the drawing environment. In this example, we have several dimensions with fits and inspection dimensions. We are able to create a table for both inspection dimensions and tolerances, the settings for which can be controlled from the toolbox settings.